Looking at the currency for Trump or Clinton will win. Investors believe in a simple philosophy: what's good for the Trump would be a bad thing for the peso. Only 2 weeks left until Election Day, Donald Trump losing, before Hillary Clinton in the poll results. Maybe he'll slip threshold White House, but the Trump can turn to the foreign exchange market to boredom. Mexican peso bet on can bring significant profits for real estate mogul if he loses. In the lines written on the history of U.S. presidential elections of 2016, the peso deserves a long stretch right about it instead as a notation line at the bottom of the page. During the past 3 months, the currency has fluctuated sharply and become indicators of investors who would believe was named on April 8/11/2. Republican candidate Donald Trump has vowed to erect trade barriers separating the United States with its neighbor to the south. Investors believe in a simple philosophy: what's good for the Trump would be a bad thing for the peso. With the results of exploration recent weeks, foreign exchange markets have signaled victory for Clinton. After falling to a record level of nearly 20 pesos for $1 last September, since the beginning of October the peso has recovered more than 4%. Obscene comments about women and direct the debate was engulfed Trump's presidential campaign. Nearly all have abandoned the idea of Trump will win, Dirk Willer, chief strategist at Citigroup, said Foreign Exchange. Based on market developments, Willer acknowledges the short-term investors such as hedge funds have bet the peso would eliminate discounts. Some banks have argued that the peso-dollar exchange rates are no longer reflect the chances of becoming president of the Trump again. Although the 70-year-old billionaire often criticized Mexico, not his words caused the peso reel. Behind the volatility of the peso is a more reasonable logic: no country does more damage if Trump elected Mexico. The relationship between the U.S. and Mexico developed after extensive free trade area stretching from Mexico to Canada was born in 1994. Since former President Bill Clinton to sign the Free Trade Agreement of North America, volume imports from Mexico to the U.S. has increased more than 6 times, and the U.S. is the destination of more than 80% of Mexican exports of merchandise. Manufacturing industry of the two countries were intertwined. A lot of American corporations to build plants in Mexico. Not only affected from the economic relationship, the peso also has another weakness. This is a heavily traded currency, is easiest and most of the local currencies of the countries affected by the policies of Trump. Among emerging currencies, the Mexican peso has the second highest liquidity. China is also the country has suffered much criticism from Trump. However, the yuan is still subject to the government, not completely floating, and Bank of China has abundant foreign exchange reserves. Therefore yuan becoming less attractive in the eyes of speculators. If Trump reversed and victory, the Bank of Mexico will certainly have to use foreign exchange reserves to offset the peso was dump. Conversely, if Clinton wins, the peso will rise sharply. However, it would be a big mistake to conclude that American politics so simple. Trump is just the most vocal, but Clinton also has attitude ambivalent towards free trade. Certainly the Clinton-era White House will not abolish NAFTA or attitude vehemently opposed, but Clinton will bear a lot of pressure from the public. Remember, the anger and anxiety about globalization is one of the major elements of the phenomenon and make the face of Donald Trump American politics changed. Larger lesson that investors in emerging markets can be drawn from the 2016 election season is the truth of globalization brings many benefits to the country are skeptical voters. That is also the reason why no matter who wins after 2 weeks, investors have to be careful with the peso.